To set a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the Options Trading section. Select the specific options contract you want to set a stop loss for by tapping on it. Next, tap the Trade button and select Edit Trade from the menu. This will take you to the Edit Trade screen where you can adjust various parameters of your trade, including the stop loss. In the Edit Trade screen, scroll down to the Stop Loss section and toggle the Stop Loss switch to the On position. This will enable the stop loss feature for your trade. Now, enter the stop loss price by typing in the price at which you want the stop loss to be triggered. This price should be lower than the current market price if you are in a long position, and higher than the current market price if you are in a short position. After entering the stop loss price, tap the Review button to review your trade details, including the stop loss. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm button to confirm your trade and set the stop loss. It is essential to note that stop loss orders are not guaranteed and may not be executed at the exact price you set, especially in times of high market volatility. However, they can help limit your potential losses by automatically closing your position when the stop loss price is reached. Best practices for using stop loss include setting a stop loss price that is reasonable and takes into account the current market conditions and the volatility of the underlying asset. It is also crucial to regularly review and adjust your stop loss levels to ensure they remain effective in limiting your potential losses. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile and better manage your risk exposure in options trading. Remember to always use stop loss orders in conjunction with a well thought out trading strategy and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.